Hello, I'm Ted Joyce, Economics and Finance Professor.
Hello, my name is Kevin Wolf, and I'm the Instructional Designer at BCTC.
I'm Professor Karen Shelby, and I teach Art History in the Fine and Performing Arts Department.
I'm Kannan Mohan, a faculty member in the CIS department.
My name is Brian Moore, and I teach advertising in the Zicklin School of Business.
And I'm Michelle Dubin. I'm a graduate teaching fellow at Baruch, and I also teach Art History in the Fine and Performing Arts Department.
I'm Amit Padnani. I'm a lecturer with the Department of Economics and Finance.
My name is Sharon Belden-Castonguay, and I'm the director of the Graduate Career Management Center.
I'm Dan Williams, and I'm talking about my tech grant for my budget class.
This is a piece of it because I'm in the studio taping this little description at the same time we're taping my recitations for the course. So let me tell you how I got here.
I'm making these very short videos, about 2 to 5 minutes long, where I instruct in one skill. I put them in a sequence so that when a student has performed all the tasks, they have completed an assignment.
CUNY is implementing an upgrade from Blackboard 8.0, which is the system we currently use, to Blackboard 9.1. We got notifications of course changes and rubrics and much more.
We wanted to be able to create a project that brought the museums to our students. So we received a grant to create these films at each museum, some of the major museums in New York City, the Metropolitan Museum of Art, the Guggenheim, but also smaller museums like the Rubin Museum of Art, so students can engage with the museums prior to a visit, and then also engage with the museums as an assessment tool after an individual visit.
The first goal is to use the tablet PC in the classroom, and the second goal is to create video tutorials for students using the Adobe Captivate software.
I came up with the idea of basically offering a lecture once a week to one group on Tuesday of, let's say, 350 students. I then would offer the same lecture on Thursday to a different 350 students, carrying, let's say, 700 students in total in the class. On the off days, the days the students normally would have come for a second lecture, they'd be responsible for watching a video of the recitation, in essence. We will stream it online. The students will have links to every segment of the questions that I'm doing. They'll click the links from the media server, and boom, they should be able to watch 5 and 10-minute segments at a clip going over various problems.
The Department of Fine and Performing Arts offered a new special topics course to expose students to expanded new media video practices.
We ended up working closely with the technical staff here at Baruch to try to integrate the webinar technology with Blackboard and also with our recruiting technology so that we could not only deliver these webinars to students but also better integrate how we were tracking them in our system.
Teachers and peer groups provide feedback from inside the college. Baruch Copy Test provides feedback on students' work by surveying the outside world using Qualtrics software.
These tutorials addressed the most commonly raised questions in the class.
The laptop, purchased with the tech grant, provided us with the mobility to travel across New York City from Yorkville to Chinatown.
When working with BCTC, we are trying to implement iTalk software in most of the labs here in this building. Using the software, we can control what students see on the screen. I could look at a list of machines that are available in the lab and select a particular machine that can be projected on the screen. Through this whole process, we'll be making several tasks much more efficient.